In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use connectors in Perplexity Academy. If you want to make Perplexity even more useful by connecting it to the services you already use, connectors are a great feature to learn. They allow Perplexity to access supported third-party apps and services so you can work with your own content more efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic process of using connectors in Perplexity Academy. To get started, sign in to your Perplexity account and open Perplexity Academy. Once you're on the Academy homepage, navigate to the lesson or section that covers connectors. This lesson introduces what connectors are, how they work, and the types of services that can be linked to your account. As you go through the lesson, pay close attention to the examples provided. These examples demonstrate how connectors allow Perplexity to retrieve information from supported services after you've granted permission. Understanding these examples will help you see how connectors can improve your workflow when you're working with documents, files, or other connected resources. When you're ready to try connectors yourself, open the Connectors section from your Perplexity account. You'll see a list of the supported services that are currently available. Browse through the available options and choose the service you want to connect. After selecting a service, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. You'll be asked to sign in to the selected service if necessary and grant the required permissions. Be sure to review the permissions before approving the connection so you understand what information Perplexity will be able to access. Once the authorization is complete, the connector will be linked to your account. With the connector connected, you can begin using it during supported searches or tasks. Depending on the connected service, Perplexity may be able to search your files, reference your documents, or use other available content to provide more relevant and personalized responses. The exact capabilities will vary, depending on the connector you've enabled. If you ever want to manage your connected services, return to the Connectors section in your account settings. From there, you can review your active connections, disconnect services you no longer want to use, or connect additional supported services as they become available. Keeping your connected services organized helps ensure you're only sharing access with the tools you actively use. It's also a good habit to periodically review your connected accounts and permissions to keep everything secure and up to date. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,